Success in business is not about luck. It's about clarity, strategy, and taking the right actions consistently. Every decision you make either moves your business forward or holds it back. That's why smart planning, strong execution, and continuous learning matter. If you want sustainable growth, focus on what truly works, build systems, understand your audience, and improve every single day. This is where ideas turn into results. Follow for practical business tips that help you grow smarter, not harder.